All right, here we got two products that you probably will need at some point in your life. Here we have a portable jump starter that is able to jump start your car in those situations where you need a jump. Your car's battery's dead and you gotta get going somewhere. And right here, we got a tire inflator in case you get a flat tire, you're on the go. Both of these are portable and they do a good job. But sometimes it's hard to carry all these things in your car. I wish they had one item that combined it and had both. Well, this company right here, that's exactly what they did. They integrated a powerful 6,000 amp lithium ion battery for those jump starts, and they also integrated a 150 psi capable tire inflator. So we got both. Let's go ahead and test them out. So the last time it was like negative 20 degrees, I tried using this to jumpstart my turbo Civic, and unfortunately the first go with this, it did not crank over the car. And looking at the specifications, this only has 1200 amps of power that it can push through this little device. This, on the other hand, has a 6,000 amp battery here, so I'm more than certain this is gonna jumpstart this no problem. And granted, looking at the spec sheet, this says you can jumpstart a car up to 70 times with one charge. So if you don't think that's pretty good, I don't know, that sounds pretty good to me. Comes with SOS lights. You got a couple lights in case you need to see what you're doing in the middle of the night when you get pulled over. It has a nice little display that tells you how much percentage is left on the battery internally. You got two USB ports to charge all accessories, laptops, your GoPro when you're doing the YouTube thing. And again, the tire inflator, you can either run it on the battery, and it seems like it's inflating pretty quickly, or you can actually plug it into the car in case this battery dies. You can plug it in using a 12-volt charger and still get those tires to the specifications that you need. And as a whole, that's it. Very nice, convenient carrying case. It has all the specs that you need. So I'm gonna run it through its course right now. Set the tires to the appropriate PSI and do a jump start. Granted, it's not cold today, so we're not really testing the full capacity of this, but hopefully when the day comes, we will be ready with this. If you guys are interested in this device, go ahead, check it out. I'll have Amazon link down below or an eBay link down below, and we do make a little bit of affiliate commission, at least with the eBay link. I gotta really make an Amazon link, so helps the channel out, helps it grow, and I can show you some cool products like this. All right, so pretty simple. You got the positive, the negative connected to the portable charger. Let's turn it on. 100% output, and yeah, that's all you have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and crank up the boy. All the juice it needs, it got. I wouldn't worry about anything with this jumper here for this little 1.8 liter turbo. The advertising says it can jump gas, diesel cars, even 13 liter motors, so no brainer here. So once you connect the hose to your tire, it's going to display your current PSI in the tire, and again, we are going to 42 PSI, so we're going to set that and hit it. All in all, pretty nice unit, not terribly big, and seems to be working just as advertised. All the functions work, and pretty simple to use. So if you guys are interested in something like this, go check out the links in the description, and thanks for watching.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see